Hello everyone, my name is Monika Sharma. I am from Bhopal. I have completed my graduation in field of electrical and electronics engineering. I have an experience as a teacher in so many fields. I worked in banking institutions, engineering colleges and various schools also. I lastly worked in Deputy Public School as a TGT Maths and Science subject. I have an experience on both the boards CBSE and ICSE board. Today I am here for demo. My demo topic is polynomial. I take this topic from chapter 2 class 9th. So let us start polynomial. Polynomial means in word polynomial, poly means many, nomial means terms. So polynomial made by many terms. Here, polynomial is an expression in which variable and constant involve some mathematical operations like addition, subtraction and multiplication. Polynomial एक expression है, is an expression in which variable and constant involve some mathematical operations like addition, subtraction and multiplication. So, what is variable? Let us take one example, 4x. In this 4x, x is variable, 4 is a constant. So, 4 is a constant. Constant has a fixed value. We never change the value of constant. 4 is 4, 3 is 3, 2 is 2. We said 2 apples. That means 2 एप्पल है तो वो 2 एप्पल्स ही हैं. Okay, like that we said 2 rupees coin. So 2 rupees coin is 2 rupees coin. So constant has a fixed value. But variable, we change the value of variable. Here in this polynomial, 4x polynomial, we put value of x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. So value of x, variable value, changes according to question, according to situation. Okay, so let me take another example. 4x plus 5. This is also a polynomial. Okay, in this polynomial there are two terms, 4x and 5. This is the first term and this is the second term. We said polynomial means many terms. So what is term? Term is product of its factor. Here is first term 4x. Let us see 4x. Here 4 is a constant and x is a variable. So term is the product of its factor. Here in 4x, 4 into x is the 4x. So 4 and x is the factor of this term. So when we multiply 4 and x, we get 4x as a term. So this polynomial has two terms, 4x and 5. In term 5, 5 into 1. That means 5 and 1 is the factor of this term. Okay, so term is the product of its factor. Here in 4x, see 4 is the coefficient. 4 is the coefficient. What is coefficient? When the constant with the variable, when the constant in term with the variable, it is called coefficient. The coefficient is the numerical factor of this term. Okay, and this is the variable. And second term is the 5. This is the constant. But अगर हम देखें इसको तो 5 into x to the power 0 भी लिख सकते हैं. We can write 5 into x to the power 0 because x to the power 0 equals to 1. Always x to the power 0, the power of x is 0, the whole x to the power is equals to 1. So 5 into 1 we get 5. Okay, so 4x plus 5. This is the two term polynomial. Okay, here is an expression in which we apply some mathematical operations, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Okay. Now now we classify the polynomial with two ways, on the basis of terms and degree. Okay. On the basis of term and degree. Here is, in the previous example, we take 4x plus 5. Okay. So we said there are two terms in this polynomial. Okay. 4x. There is one term in this polynomial. There are three terms in this polynomial. One term, second term, and third term. Okay. So on the basis of their terms, we classify in three types. When polynomial has one term, it is called mononomial. Mononomial. Okay. When the polynomial has two terms, we get binomial. Okay. When the polynomial has three terms, we call trinomial. Okay. So on the basis of terms, we classify polynomial in three ways. And there are three terms, so we call trinomial. But after the three terms, we said all the expression as a polynomial. Okay. One or more than one terms expression is called polynomial. Okay. So on the basis of degree,